Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hopefully, my videos are helpful for you, especially for the construction of triangle. Okay, so I was taking the topic from the 17th chapter of class 9th, that is practical geometry, and in the next exercise 17.4, I have taken from class 9th. Okay, so topic is construct a rectangle equal in area to a given triangle. First of all, we have to understand what is this topic about. That they are saying that area of a rectangle should be equal to area of triangle. Okay, so come to the formula for the rectangle. We are taking area length time or length time base or breadth, anything you can say, width or breadth, no problem. Length time width. Area of rectangle, we are taking half of base in height. Okay, so there are two elements multiplying, there are base and height multiplying, and half of that we are taking the value. Okay, if we want to make the area of rectangle change to triangle or triangle change to rectangle, we can keep its one element same. Okay, suppose that I am taking the width and height. Suppose I am taking that the area of triangle, if I am saying, so height of the triangle will be exactly the same as width of the rectangle. Okay, so the length of the rectangle will be equals to half of the base. Length of the rectangle will equal to half of the base. Suppose that if I'm giving you two values, suppose I'm taking any two values, as I have taken this as 8 time and this as equals to, I am taking any value, say number 2. Okay, it should be equals to what could be here, as I'm saying they are exactly same, so its value will be exactly same. What is the width value taken? That will be 2. Okay, multiply, half of this will be equal to this. So what will be the number whose half of that number will be equal to 8? So half of 16 will be equal to 8. Is that you understand this topic? Let me explain again. I'm saying that keeping one element same, other we can connect that other element equals to this remaining amount. Okay, because if the product is same, it means they are managing their value. Okay, so I give the example that take any length value, take any width value. Okay, I say width equal to exactly the height, or height exactly will change to width. Okay, that's done. So it means it was 2, it will also be 2. Now half of the base should be equal to length, or length should be equal to half of the base. So the numbers are changing like this. Same thing will happen in the construction of rectangle when we are changing from the triangle, or triangle when we are changing from the rectangle. Both the case can be exactly same to same, vice versa. Okay, in this exercise they particularly first given the value of the triangle. Okay, like question number 1, they give the triangle value with the side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. So let us consider that this is AB, BC and CA. Okay, I will just write it over here. AB measurement BC equals this, measurement CA equals to this. Okay, so drawing steps are very easy, as I have told you already. What about my scale? It's here. Okay, so any side I will take down. Usually I like to take the longest side, but I will take this for the first, because the students are just following the teacher step as it is. So any one we can take, it doesn't matter. So suppose that I'm taking 4 centimeter first down. Okay, the triangle. So I choose that this will behave like the base A, B, 4 centimeter. Then I have to take other two sides, 5 and 6, means from B to C 5 and C to A 6. For that, in my previous videos also I have explained you how to draw. Let me explain again. B to C is 5. Open the compass exactly equal to 5 centimeter. For that, you can keep this arm exactly at 0 and then open this slowly till 5. Okay, see this one? Hopefully my measurements are coming exactly equal. Yeah, exact 5. So make a free arc. Okay, now A to C or C to A, they are 6. So open again the compass, 6. Okay, so make an arc from A to C, 6. Okay, so this point is obtained. This is called your C point. Okay, this is the C point. Join C to A and B. Hmm. Be precise in your construction whenever you are doing, so be careful. Okay, when the point is joining to the lines, be careful that you are taking actually the points. Okay, finally, as I told you, I will take the width of the rectangle equal to height of the triangle. So it means, what is the height? What is the height? We know that the peak point, from the peak point, if we draw the perpendicular, that will be the height. Okay, so drawing the perpendicular, again you can draw with the actual altitude method also, and you can draw the exact straight line also. It doesn't matter. So which method you are following, you can take that. Okay, as our purpose is not to draw the perpendicular altitude, so we can use the set square also. Okay, so what I will do, I will put my set square very properly and touching the line also and this point also. Now see, exactly it's touching. Now draw this line segment. Make sure that you are taking the cutting point over here. So from the peak point coming to the base, this is called altitude or height. Height you have taken. Okay, now keeping this height same, what you have to do now, half of the base you have to take, midpoint of the base. Now bisection of the base we have to do. Okay, make the arcs. Okay, now we will take the bisection point. Sorry, bisection point from this to this. Okay, so this is giving us the midpoint. We can name it as M. Okay, we need to draw a parallel line to this one so that we can construct a rectangle, because our rectangle, what we have done, we have taken the height and we have taken half of base, means this is our half of base, this is our one we can say, we cannot say that this is the breadth and this is the length of the rectangle. One side of the rectangle we have taken, that is equal to height of the one equal to height, and other should be half of base. So half of the base we have taken. Now this is the rectangle one side measurement and this is the rectangle other side measurement. So what we have to do, we can draw a straight line, okay, from the corner from here. Okay, this side, for the other side, for drawing the perpendicular, we can take like this, the scale, and set it like this. Like this. Now we can draw our perpendicular. We can draw with the scale also, removing the, just set the direction of your scale and then draw the line. Okay, now this line and this line are parallel. What we have done, one dimension of the rectangle. Okay, midpoint. Join the midpoint to the top. Okay, so now this is the one dimension, this is the other dimension, and from here again, if we draw a perpendicular line from the for the perpendicular line, if your ideas are very good, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can set every time with the set square also, and then draw it like in this way. So the triangle AM, you can name it as AMPQ. AMPQ is the required triangle. AMPQ is a required rectangle, rectangle, which is equal in area to triangle ABC, because base, half of the base is AM, okay, and the height of the triangle is same as the height of the rectangle. Okay, so this is your required rectangle, which is exactly equal in the area to the triangle. This one is our required triangle. Next two parts are also exactly the same steps. So hopefully you understand this video, and you if you don't like any point, or if you don't understand any point, so please tell me in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.